So hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. As always, I'm recording locally and streaming. Today is on the Kick service and I'm kinda mad for the day, but before I will continue, let me check out the Kick service if it's available to us. Let's see, here we are. Oh yes, it is, nice. So yeah, this is going to be quick and pissed off. Anyway, this is my system information, cosmic settings, system and accounts, about. Here we are, 32 GB of RAM, 2 TB of SD storage space, CPU is AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX, GPU is also AMD Radeon RX 6800M, Pop! OS 24.04 LTS, kernel is 7.0.11 something, Cosmic, Wayland, what else? Back on the terminal. Here we are, zoom in a bit. Yes, so as you can see, I'm using the native screen resolution 3840 by 2160, 120 Hz, no scale today. However, as you will soon see, I'm using downscaling in Full HD 30 FPS. The rest information you can pause the stream, take a good look at your own pace, or soon when the video will be available on my YouTube channel to check it at your own pace. So yeah. Today I was furiously trying to fix my cursor factory. This is my Swedish Breeze cursor. I have plenty of things going on with this system. Honestly, it's like I'm not sure how deep this customization will go with Pop! OS. In the past, I think I never done the cursor factory. Today I barely made it to work. So anyway, here it is through the terminal for now. I don't know if I will be able to make it through the whole of GUI. Anyway, create a cursor set or select an existing one. Let's create one. You can select the folder or just click console and we'll download it for you. You select the name. I will go with black and magenta. This is absolutely first experimentation from me as well. I don't know if it will work, but I had enough and I just wanted to come online, do this fast and go bye bye sayonara da. Here we are, selecting the size, blah blah blah. It goes fast, it's okay. More or less these things you have seen in my other Linux distributions, Commodore OS, Vision 3.1, Casio OS, KDE Plasma, and so on. But for this one, I'm so mad. Yeah, so let's do that as well. Boom. Complicate the cursor, and supposedly after I will restart I'll be using these cursors, and maybe in some apps it's already active. Let me try, for example, GIMP. Such a time waste, this Pop! OS Cosmic, such a time waste. Yeah, anyway, I don't want to log out, restart, whatever. Most probably when I will restart it will have the black magenta cursor. Let's see if it was created properly inside the icons. Yes, it is. Let me check out with the GIMP. Why did I close it? I don't know. Maybe because I'm mad or something. If these are working, then most probably after the... Yeah. So yeah, I'm sure that after the restart, this will be available to my system for usage. Anyway, this video I will call it Waterloo something, like the Great Battle of Waterloo. We all know what happened to Napoleon and his army. Anyway, yeah, and also I was reminded once again why I didn't use the system's default terminal in the back then, and I went with foot terminal, but today I went with Pixis. I think I pronounced it correctly, maybe. This one, you can have the window in specific size and keep it between restarts, whatever. Love it, love it. And yeah, this is it for today. I'm not going to keep on going. Absolutely nightmare for me, this Linux distribution. It's like it's not playful, it's not retro like Commodore OS to cut it some slack, you know. And although they have fixed plenty of bugs, there are still some very annoying bugs in place, and I don't want to have none of it. Surely I will not return to this in a month or 2 or 3. Surely, unless of course they will create some distro version that others will be talking, the whole world will be talking, then yes. But as is at the moment, I don't think I will return it anytime soon. There are more fabulous, great, extraordinary distributions out there than this heavily under work in progress. Yesterday I didn't show you about it, I didn't do it today as well. It's Pop OS, fella, System 76, Pop OS, Cosmic. I don't know what to say about it. Not my cup of tea for sure. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye! Yeah, of course, I'm back. Sorry, forgot to show you my OBS settings for today. So I interrupted that message. Let's go. As I said, I'm kind of mad today. Mad. Terrible day today. Anyway, 8000 bitrate, kick service, downscale, where is it? Full HD, 30 FPS. And I'm using hardware encoders, recording and streaming, FMPEG AAC for the audio, FMPEG VAP-H264 for the video, and Boom Sakalaka MKV file format. And now back to the message. Bye!